Hi guys, I'm back with another video of interesting language called Bootstrap. Make sure you have watched all my previous videos because today's video is very important lecture of Bootstrap. So let's get started. Open Visual Studio Code. If you do not download it, link in description, go download it. Now Control N for new file and save it with Control S. Save the file in that subfolder which you created for Bootstrap in your web development folder. So today's lecture name is grid, so I am saving it with grid.html. Now HTML5, a short key to type all structure instead of typing all. Copy that links of Bootstrap in head tag and now in body. Open a div, class, container. In this div, open another div. With a class of Col-md. Now what is Col-sm1? Now what is Col-sm1? Col stands for column, sm stands for small, and 1 stands for using one column. As I show you in Chrome, this is one line. As I am moving my cursor on that line, this is one line. In this line there is a 12 column. So Col-sm1, Col stands for column, sm stands for small, and 1 stands for we are using one column from that 12. BG danger. After that semicolon, cross that tag. In this div where cursor is blinking, you can add anything. Either you want an image, or you want a heading, or you want a paragraph. I am just typing for remember that this is Col-sm1. As I told you, in one line there's a 12 column. So if we are using Col-sm1, we want to use a whole line, so we have to use 12 Col-sm1 div. As I show you, I am copying this div for saving time. If you understanding this, you also have to copy this. If you don't, so please type it again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Let this count again. And 12. So here it is. This all Col-sm1 using one column on that Chrome browser or Opera and many more browsers have the same specifications. Now I am changing the background color for different shade. background color is changed. Now if you want a bigger width from Col-sm1, then you have to use Col-md2. You also use Col-md3. You also use Col-md4 and Col-md5. I will show you all. Remember, there's 12 columns in one line. You can use a simple Col-sm12 for a whole column or divide it as per your requirements. Open another div class. First we use Col-sm1. Now I am using Col-md2. SM stands for small, MD stands for medium. You can also use MD for 1 and you can also use SM for 2. Now if you divide 12 on 2, the answer is 6. So if you want to use all the column, then you have to create 6 divs of Col-md2. As I am creating in it, copy that line, enter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also change the color for differentiate. After that, if you want a more bigger size from Col-md2, you have to use Col-md3. To create a div, write 12 on 3. The answer is 4. You have to create 4 div of Col-md3 to use a whole line of 12 columns. Copy this line and paste it for 3 times. Now moving on next. If you want more bigger size than Col-md3, you can have to use Col-md4. 12 on 4. The answer is 3. You have to create Col-md4 with 3 divs. As I am creating, copy this line and paste it for 2 times. Now if you want more bigger size, then create a div and give it a class Col-md 5. As you know, there's a 12 column in one line, so if you have to use a whole line, then you have to use 2 Col-md 5 divs and 1 div of Col-md 2. Copy this line and paste it. Replace this 5 with 2. Now the last one, div class you can also use LG large 6 Col-md 6. Copy this line and paste it for one time to use a whole line. Now save it, go to the subfolder which you created, open it in a Chrome, and now as you see, Col-sm1 with danger color, with success color, Col-md 2 with secondary color, Col-md 3, Col-md 4 with again danger color, Col-md 5 without color, and Col-lg 6 with green color, which is also called success. I will show you coding once again because I have done some changes which I have mistaked. I also teach you about that. Here I type BD, it's not BD, it's BG as background color, and that's it. This is today's class. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel and click on bell icon for more videos. Also, if you have any questions, ping me on FB page, link in description. And one last thing, show some support on Patreon. Thank you.